Promote what you love instead of bashing what you hate. Practically, it's about your vibration and what you want to attract in your life. Kemetic-centered living is about learning how to use natural laws to improve your quality of life. One of the major aspects of my African Mind Rewire class is to remove the propensity to focus on negativity. Psychologically speaking, too many of the African diaspora have been programmed to gravitate towards negativity more than positivity. You will actually hear people state that expecting the negative is more realistic. The problem with thinking negatively, like being afraid, expecting the worst, and fearing judgment from others, they're all states of low vibration that will keep you locked into negative beliefs and fears. It reflects negative programming. By law, the universe can do nothing but confirm what you believe. You won't even have the ability to see something positive. That's because your mind is wired to see and experience negativity. It takes an intentional shift in your attitude. It shifts to a way of being. Promoting what you love instead of bashing what you hate is a practical step to changing your quality of life. You are powerful beyond belief.